Let's answer part 1 of the formative criteria B on our mass and the transfer of kinetic energy lab. So you started with drawing the setup, the box below. If you draw the setup, it will help you fill out part 1. So with part 1, let's look at what the independent variable is. Okay, to remind us, the independent variable is what we are changing with the 2 setup. So what we are changing, as you can see, are the ice cubes. So my independent variable is ice, and the way we are changing it is by the amount of ice cubes. So by the amount of ice cubes. That is our independent variable. The dependent variable is the temperature of the water. Temperature of the water. And we are measuring the dependent variable by using a thermometer. That's our measuring tool. Using a thermometer, thermometer, at 0 minutes before we put the ice in, at 1 minute after we put the ice in and it's underneath the heating lamp, at 4 minutes, and then at 8 minutes. The control variables are the ones in the setup that are the same for the 2 setups. So some of those would be the amount of water. They're both 100 milliliters. The kind of beaker is the same size and it's the same kind. It's both made of glass. Kind of beaker. The amount of heat. They are both being exposed underneath the same heat lamp, so amount of heat. And then it can also be room temperature. So they are in the same room. So these are the control variables. And that finishes your formative criteria B page.